Are you tired of using vitamin C serums that take forever to show results? Well, today I'm going to talk about the newest launch by the Dermaco, that is their 15% vitamin C intense brightening ampule kit. So if this is something that interests you, keep watching the video. This kit is a highly concentrated, targeted treatment designed to bring visible results in just 7 days. I've been using this ampule kit for a while now and the results are impressive. So why is this ampule kit is so special? Now this one contains 15% of pure L-ascorbic acid, that is the most potent form of vitamin C. Now vitamin C is an amazing antioxidant which can do wonders for your skin. It helps in preventing free radical damage on the skin, it helps in brightening the skin tone, helps in even out the complexion, it protects the skin from UV damage and boosts collagen production. Apart from taking a diet which is rich in antioxidants, adding a topical vitamin C serum in your daily skincare routine can also prevent from long-term sun damage. Now there are multiple forms in which you can use vitamin C serum in your skincare routine. You can use it as ethyl ascorbic acid or sodium ascorbate phosphate or magnesium ascorbate phosphate. Whereas L-ascorbic acid is an amazing and most potent form of vitamin C which will help in giving you results within a few weeks of usage. What makes it different from regular vitamin C serums is its fresh mix formula and innovative packaging. Each ampule is sealed in its own little vial to ensure that the product stays fresh and free from oxidation. This means no compromising on the active ingredients. You're getting the full power of vitamin C in every single dose. I've tried many vitamin C serum in my skincare routine, but this is the first time that I'm using an ampule which contains 15% of L-ascorbic acid. These ampules are really easy to use and the packaging is so premium. Each ampule is fresh and potent, giving you the best result every time. L-ascorbic acid is the purest form of vitamin C that has been clinically proven to lighten dark spots and boost skin radiance, something that's backed by dermatologists and researchers worldwide. Now let's talk about how to use these ampules in your skincare routine. So first what you have to do, you have to twist and pull the bottom seal of the ampule. Push the bottom part upwards and shake it well to mix the product. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then break the ampule and attach the applicator to the top. This creates a fresh mix serum that's pure and ready to work its magic. Each ampule is designed to be used for 2 doses, so make sure you use it every alternate day for optimal results. And the best part, no oxidation. Regular serums lose their efficacy as vitamin C oxidizes over time, turning yellow. But this unique ampule packaging, the product stays stable, preserving the potency of vitamin C and giving you faster results. This serum is extremely lightweight and does not feel sticky or tacky after application. I have used up to 20 to 25% vitamin C serums in my skincare routine, so this 15% L-ascorbic acid didn't irritate my skin and it was very easy to absorb. I use it in my morning skincare routine. First I cleanse my face nicely, then I apply my hyaluronic acid serum on my damp skin, then I follow up with this vitamin C ampule, and lastly I apply my 1% hyaluronic aqua sunscreen gel, which is very moisturizing and provides broad spectrum protection. After using one dosage of ampule, you just have to close the tip of the dropper and then you could store it in a fridge for the second application and use it on the alternate day. All the products from the Dermaco are fragrance-free and designed by dermatologists. You can purchase this product from Dermaco's official website and you can use my coupon code POONAM2025 for getting a flat 20% off. Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students till date. Every time you buy from them, they will link you all to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. I'll put down the links of the product in the description box below, do check it out. But before trying out any kind of new product, a patch test is highly recommended. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.